welcome back to the channel. It's me, searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is searbear. It is so nice to meet you. I'm back today actually with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you asked. We are making Flame Kingdom wings. This is what it's supposed to look like. Wow, fire flames. Do the fire flames. Look at it. Wow. I want to thank you so much to Radiohead over on TikTok for the suggestion. I've actually never made wings before. I only ever order them, but I love them. I think it's a very perfect opportunity to go ahead and try making them. So here we are. Thank you again, Radiohead. I really like how the page is like a little burnt because the Flame Kingdom or whatever. So we do have something right up here. It doesn't look too bad. There's like 8 steps to it, but there was a lot of spices that I needed to gather, which I'm not complaining about. The more spices for wings, the better. So, you know, if it makes about 6 servings or about 15 wings, I don't think it came with that many wings. It said 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. The thing I got, I don't feel like it was that many wings. It just looked yummy. I don't think I'm gonna make them right. One of the things it said for 1 teaspoon of cayenne or 5 tablespoons for a flame person. So I put 5 tablespoons. Am I gonna regret it? I don't know. I can handle spice okay. I used to not be able to. Let's go ahead and see what it says right up here. Wings of chicken fried and basted in sauce hot enough to dissolve a human tongue. We know this dish. Hot wings. They're like little edible batteries for fine people. That's cute. Since the original recipe was clearly missing the necessary Scoville units for keeping a flame person healthy, I made some alterations. Serve to a flame person friend or human enemy. Down here it says, oh my glob, I did this to impress her and I had to go to the hospital. Stick to 1 teaspoon. So I put 5. So I guess I am my own enemy. And I'm also going to be giving it some to Mr. Berry, so I guess he's my enemy too. But we both like spicy, so is it really enemy? I don't know, we'll find out. It doesn't seem too bad. I'm a bit nervous too making it because the only thing I'm nervous about is I've never cut the joints of the wings before and I had to like watch a YouTube video. It doesn't seem too bad. It seems pretty straightforward, so I don't know. Maybe it'll be fine, maybe it won't be. I have so many questions. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm a little nervous. Here are all of the ingredients. And I'm not going to use all of that, just about 64 ounces of it. And then the wings, I've never cut them before. Woo. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the wings at the joints, discarding the tips. Put wings in a mixing bowl and coat with half of the vegetable oil, season with salt and pepper. Place on a baking tray in the oven and cook completely through for 25 to 35 minutes. Allow them to cool off for about 15 minutes and place in freezer until frozen solid. What? This takes about 8 to 10 hours? What? Oh, this process results in a crispier chicken wing. What? 8 to 10 hours? Okay. 8 to 10 hours. I mean, I'm sure I can like skip that stuff, but I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do that 8 to 10 hours. What the? That's crazy. But I didn't realize it was gonna be that long. So I'm glad I had prepared in advance, so I didn't put it off. Wow, so proud of myself. Do you think it would be bad if I just like have it be for 24 hours? I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Place the rest of the vegetable oil and garlic in a saucepan in medium heat and stir until softened. Then add barbecue sauce, pomegranate juice, honey, salt, sugar, cayenne, fennel seed powder, star anise, coriander, cumin, and cloves. Bring the ingredients to a boil for about 1 minute, stirring constantly, and then remove them from heat and set aside. If not using immediately, keep refrigerated and gently reheat before using. In a 6-quart pot, bring the peanut oil up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, using the candy thermometer to measure temperature. Gently place about 8 chicken wings in the pot at a time, frying until the wings are crispy and golden in color. Toss the wings in the sauce in a mixing bowl, coating them thoroughly. Dang, okay. And here's the reveal. Wow. Dude, I'm just sweating looking at them. Dude, look at them. They look so good. They smell spicy. They smell spicy. Oh, look. Okay, let's try them. I'm gonna try the easy piece first. Look at it. Dude, it looks so good. It smells good. It smells great, actually. This is pretty. It's hot, but it's pretty good. Okay, let's try one of the wing ones. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's spicy. Oh my god, my face is red. Okay. Those are some crispy ass bitches. No, I'm just kidding. This is so spicy. If I sniffle wrong, it's gonna go down my throat. Ew. Pretty solid. I'm sweating. Super solid. It's so hot. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. That wasn't actually too bad. I didn't get the wings where I needed to cut the joints really, so I just ended up cutting off like excess. Is what happened. Is really what happened. I don't know, it wasn't really that bad. I think the part that ended up taking the longest besides having it wait in the freezer, waiting for it to fry, but I think I was just excited for it because we were on the final steps, so it was like the final stretch. So also it said to have the wings wait for like 8 to 10 hours. I basically waited until like 24 hours. I don't think it changed the quality too much, besides it was a little bit more solid because they were frozen. But I mean, I didn't think it was that bad, so still crispy, so I am content with it. I am very happy with the results. I'm so sweaty. I am so sweaty, dude. Like, can you see? Can you tell? I don't know, my face is red. Like, I don't know if you can see my glands. Don't look. Actually, look. Anyway. Yeah, that was pretty good. I want to thank you so much to Radiohead again over on TikTok for suggesting this recipe. Next week, I will be making the hamburger monster, so look forward to that. If you guys are wanting me to make something from the cookbook, you are more than welcome to leave your suggestions in the comments down below. Here is actually a list of options that I have for you guys from the cookbook. I have already marked off ones that we've already done, so there is that. Woohoo! Pause to read if you need to. Yay! Woohoo! Boop-de-doo! The next one I'll be making is the hamburger monster. I don't even know how that one's gonna go. Let's see. What does it look like? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. And we got tater tots too. So that will be the next one I'll be making. Thank you so much, Rat, for the suggestion. I appreciate it. This is gonna be fun. I love hamburgers too, so yay. But yeah, it wasn't too bad to make. I honestly was overthinking it as usual. Didn't expect to wait 8 to 10 hours, technically speaking like 24 hours after putting them into the freezer. But I mean, it was still cool. It was a fun thing to try, and I'm pretty happy with the results. So yay, another one done. Do you guys like wings? Do you guys prefer like spicy wings, bone in, bone out? I personally am a fan of bone in wings, but sometimes I am lazy and I do like the boneless wings because they're like glorified chicken nuggets. I'm sorry, but they're good. I'm not knocking it. I'm not knocking it, but I do like spicy. I do like spicy bone-in wings. Wingstop is my favorite wing place, especially with those Cajun fries. They're just so good. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Dang, okay. So come on, baby, I'll take you high. Oh! The prima donna spice up